French onion sauce up on the plate, and with that in mind, some salsa here, a mango salsa, just going in these freshly washed cos leather leaves, nice and neat. It's got tomatoes in it, it's got coriander, mango, onions. It's not spicy at all, but it's just nice. So that's the side salad we're having with mango. I'll add in some mushrooms as well. Your choice of what you put on it. And in addition to that, I'll put some corn with capsicum and lime. See, sweet corn with capsicum, charred capsicum and lime. Pretty simple dish. It's only taken one pot to cook it. Right, now we put the side salad. I'll put these on the plate. And chicken. Now, the sauce, spin the onions on top of the chicken. And this, my friends, is a lunch. Simple, straightforward, one pot, no mucking around. It's all that lovely onion sauce. Oh, look at it. French onion sauce. Oh, this was going to be lovely. Just drizzle it over your chicken. There we have it. We have chicken thigh fillets and cooked in a French onion sauce with onions, with a side salad. You can use rice, you can use mashed potato, sweet potato, whatever. But anyway, there's a nice, wonderful meal for lunch made in one pot. And thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe and hit the like button. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. And take care, we care, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.